So we have ourselves a 2020 Nissan Versa, and we are going to change the cabin air filter for you. We're going to show you exactly how to change the cabin air filter on this 2020 Nissan Versa. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is remove that cover, put your fingers underneath, and just simply tug it like you see me doing in the video. Now there is another clip in the back towards the rear of that cover. Let's get the light shining on that, and you can see that little clip in the back. That's just to give you some perspective. That's why I backed up. So you just reach your hand in there, pull that back, and that'll just pop out as well. And then you get the cover out of the way. And right there, that white door, more perspective so you can see exactly where we are. That white door right there is the door that needs to be removed to replace the cabin air filter. That door simply pops off. Now watch the video and you'll see exactly what I'm doing to get that door off. It's not hard at all. There's a clip on the top and there's a clip on the bottom. You can actually see the clip on the bottom right there where the arrow is pointing to. And then there's a clip on the top right there where the arrow is pointing to. So you pull down on that clip, pop it back a little bit, and then you pull up on the other clip and pop it back, and the door just pops right off. Now notice there's no cabin air filter in there right now because I've already taken the cabin air filter out of the vehicle, and at that point I was like, oh, let me do a video on how to change the cabin air filter on a 2020 Nissan Versa. It's pretty easy to do and it's good access to get in there with the camera, but you would simply reach your hands in there underneath the filter, grab the filter, pull it out, and then discard the cabin air filter and get your new cabin air filter ready to go in. Now that is the new cabin air filter. The airflow should be facing away from the dashboard, so it should be facing towards the rear of the vehicle as you see pictured there, and it's going to go in just the way it is pictured in the video right there. So we're going to go ahead and squeeze that cabin air filter just a little bit. The cabin air filter is flexible. It will pop back into position. See how I'm squeezing it right there? And then you're going to shove it into that air box or the space where the cabin air filter goes, and it will simply pop back into position. Real easy, real simple. And then you simply put your door back onto the cabin air filter door that I'm about to put on any minute now in the video. I'm doing a voiceover because it's noisy in the shop, and voiceover makes for better audio anyway. So I'm gonna put that cabin air filter door on right now, right there. It simply snaps in. You don't have to do anything but push forward on it, and that's it. You're done. It's locked into place. You don't have to do anything else. You can check it to make sure that it's secure if you want. I can assure you that it is secure once you hear it snap into place. And then you simply put that cover back onto the side, unless you want to ride around with your vehicle having that cover off. It's totally up to you, but it's your vehicle. So you should put the cover back on the side and you are done. Cabin air filter replaced. 2020 Nissan Versa, new body style Versa. They're all the same process to change the cabin air filter on a 21 Versa and a 22 Versa. Are they still making a Versa in 22? Well, if there is a 2022 and a 2023 Versa, then the procedure for changing the cabin air filter will be the same. So thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below telling me how good of a job I did on this video or how bad of a job I did on the video. Whatever you want to say in the comment section, just leave your comment down below. But anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Peace.